Welcome to This Explainer. We're diving straight under the hood of an absolutely standout final year project today. We are going to dissect the architecture of an AI LinkedIn profile analyzer built by Codage. It's a fantastic example of using real, functional artificial intelligence to solve a very real-world career problem. Let's be honest for a second. If we looked at your LinkedIn profile right now, are we going to see those classic generic buzzwords? You know the ones: hardworking, team player, detail-oriented. Hey, it's okay, a lot of people do it, but that is exactly the problem this AI tool is designed to flag and fix. Because when recruiters, or more likely automated systems, scan your profile, those hollow words are practically a one-way ticket to getting lost in the shuffle. Section 1. The keyword counter problem. So there's a pretty massive gap between a flimsy toy demo and actual usable tech. Most students who set out to build a resume analyzer for a college project usually just write a basic script that counts matching words, and they call it a day. But true natural language processing, or NLP, requires contextual AI. It doesn't just look for a matching string of text. It actually understands how a word is being used in a sentence. It knows the difference between someone who just happened to be in the room when a project was finished and someone who actually spearheaded it. Section 2. The AI Profile Analyzer. The absolutely crucial point here is the foundation this tool is built on. This isn't just slapping an AI sticker on a basic CRUD app. We're looking at Django, and the Django REST framework handling a really robust backend. You've got Next.js delivering a sleek front end, SQLite 3 for the database, the Groq API powering the artificial intelligence brain, and pdfplumber doing the heavy lifting for data extraction. If you're an engineering student, this is the kind of tech stack that proves to evaluators you are doing serious modern engineering. Section 3. Under the hood. Let's walk through the user journey, which is a beautifully seamless 4-step process. First off, users don't have to painstakingly copy and paste their entire life history. They just upload the famously messy PDF export that LinkedIn natively generates. From there, pdfplumber steps in to extract text accurately from that incredibly tricky format. Then, the Groq large language model jumps in to analyze that extracted data. And finally, it generates a custom, polished PDF report. It's a completely automated flow from start to finish. But how does the AI actually digest all of that? Well, the system intelligently breaks down the parsed text into 5 distinct, absolutely crucial sections: your headline, your about section, experience, education, and skills. By isolating these categories, the AI can evaluate them individually, mimicking exactly what a human recruiter is looking for in each specific area. And that brings us to the ultimate metric, a score out of 100. Each of those 5 sections we just mentioned is run through Groq's incredibly fast Llama model to calculate a weighted average. This immediately gives the user an overall profile strength score out of 100. It's a hard, quantifiable metric showing exactly how well your professional story is being told. But just giving you a bad score and walking away isn't exactly helpful, right? What makes this architecture truly valuable are the AI-rewritten suggestions for every single section. The system actively hunts down those weak phrases we talked about earlier, like team player, and uses the LLM to generate completely rewritten versions, revisions that actually sound professional, specific, and impactful. It doesn't just point out your problems, it literally solves them for you. Okay, this next feature, this is an absolute game changer that elevates the project from a neat analyzer to a highly targeted job application weapon. It's called keyword gap analysis. The system lets you paste in a job description for a specific role you really want. The AI then puts your parsed profile side by side with that exact job description to identify precisely which skills you are missing. It gives you the exact roadmap you need to get past those automated screening systems for that dream job. Section 4. Real-world applications. So why does all of this architecture actually matter beyond just securing a passing grade in a college viva? Because it has immense, immediate, real-world utility. Think about it. College placement cells could use this exact pipeline to evaluate students before internship season. Career coaching platforms are already running paid versions of almost exactly this kind of software. You can use it for your own personal prep. And of course, for BCA, MCA, or BTech CSC students, it makes an absolutely killer portfolio piece that proves you can build tools with real market demand. The huge takeaway from this explainer is that this project successfully demonstrates a working end-to-end pipeline. We're talking about handling a messy PDF input, successfully integrating an external AI via the Groq API, applying real NLP text parsing, all the way to generating a final PDF output. This is a complete functioning ecosystem, and let me tell you, that is exactly what evaluators and future employers are dying to see. Which brings us to our final thought for today. If your LinkedIn profile was analyzed by this exact system right now, today, what score out of 100 do you honestly think the AI would give you? It's something to think about, right? It challenges you to look closely at the strength of your own professional brand while perfectly highlighting the immense value of building NLP-driven tools that solve everyday problems. Thanks for joining me as we explored this fascinating architecture.